Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, dual sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.